First of all, how was your travel? How are you?
Looks as good as on paper. We're in the kill zone, pal. We're locked and loaded.
Hi there guys, welcome into another session as we have an update for the week and have a look at where price is potentially going and where have we come from. Good week of trading all round if you're a range trade enjoyer. So what we're going to have a look at is ETH, SOL, BTC primarily today. Okay, what's up next? Let's have a look. Still got 20% off the Art of Data Driven Market Analysis course. If you were short in BTC yesterday at 99k and you are hoping for a violent downturn now because you are hiding high leverage short positions under your floorboards, then you may want to get a little bit of extra education. So jump in here and see if that'll be of interest. 20% off that still for you today. Yeah, a few good things going on. Market's moving well. Interesting to see this hit me as I woke up today. Past 48 hours, BlackRock and Fidelity bought over $500 million USD of ETH. Very interesting. I also thought that Tornado Cash wasn't a thing anymore. Very cheeky. Right, couple of things to show you then. So, where have we come from first and foremost? Where have we come from? Okay, so we've come from, at the beginning of the week, some very, very high demand zones on various assets. Okay, so we were applying a little bit of risk on in BTC and SOL initially. Okay, as the day progressed and we went into Tuesday, Wednesday, some really, really good demand zones on ETH especially, hitting some 90 ratios there on ETH. So we did a live session as well on Tuesday, pointed out a real nice demand zone here on ETH. SOL was very similar. I think SOL actually, we'll have a look, but I think SOL actually deviated a tiny bit below there, but was still a really, really good risk-reward trade. Tweeted out that one as well. BTC was looking a bit shaky as it just deviated below 95k, so tried to keep the guys updated. BTC bid here could just be a bounce again because at that time it's still in a range. It's still very much in a range now. So yeah, not sure. We'll just watch it. Okay, we'll watch the order flow as it goes. ETH and SOL, best R&R longs here. ETH and SOL. Okay, SOL has been an absolute beast, hasn't it? So well played to everyone that trade those. I think they were the best risk reward trades. I think they were fire and forget trades. Textbook. Demand zones. You've just got to get in the trades, just got to take the trade, commit, and then manage the risk. All right, guys. So yeah, interesting one at the beginning of the week. Big demand zones on altcoins as BTC was looking a little bit shaky, but then it did catch a bid at the end of the day. Okay, so where are we now? Okay, so we moved up. BTC, nice bounce moving up. In the private section of Discord, I always try and update these guys first, so you get hold of this. If you are in the academy, go check that out for the 20% discount. BTC yesterday morning, 7 a.m, European session. Yep, not short in this here yet. I want it higher into the supply zone, then I will review. Okay, then I'll review. So longs in place, actually added some ETH as well. Took a bit of risk off BTC because it was looking a bit shaky down there, but ETH, SOL, and actually added a bit of Pepe as well. Shared that with the entries for all the team in the private Discord. Okay, 7 a.m, I want to see this higher and then I'll review, and that's all you've got to say. As we then hit the live session, we did a live session yesterday, okay, with the guys. I've just actually screenshot this because I don't want to open up the live on Discord now because people will jump in and think I've got some absolute alpha, and I haven't right here, right now in this Euro session. But yesterday's live session, 2:30 p.m. my time, we went live. Basically dropped in the screenshots, and as you can see here, I was looking for a deviation high past that 100k. Okay, I wanted to smash that 100k. 100k is now not really a significant level, I do not think. Psychological level, yes, but we've hit it a few times in supply zones and we've smashed it a couple of times as well. Okay, so yesterday pointed out to everyone, look, this is what I'm looking for. I want to deviate past this level. Shared that as well in the main trading chat. Let me just go to that for everyone. You know, we just watch it as it goes, don't we? Watch it as it goes. Let's have a look at, see if I can find that for you. Where are we? Yep, so there we go. Shared it in the chat just, you know, a little bit before the session as well, basically saying, look, okay, I'm open to the idea of this. We're in a heavy supply zone. but I'm open to the idea of this. And what we actually did is on the live session, I explained my reasoning why I think we can deviate through that level as well. Okay, so we're all fans of classic TA and the like, and you know, if you're getting anything out of trading, wave patterns, Fibonacci's, everything, they're all absolutely brilliant, but you cannot beat just watching the bid-ask ratios, the order flow in the order books, volume and open interest, okay, and making judgments and checking as well in the OBC, the order book changes, where are the liquidity gaps? We had some big liquidity gaps just above this zone, okay, and we got that, we deviated above there, so trying to keep everyone updated. Get involved in the TRDR Discord, link below, and join us on those live sessions as well. Don't miss out on this, okay? So, yeah, where are we now? Let's go and have a look at where we are then, and where we can potentially go. Should we have a look at some trading view levels? Let's go and have a look. Okay, so just on the 4-hour chart at the minute, you can see we've just smashed past this POC. So good tip past the POC. The weekly open is just up here as well, so we're just battling at the weekly open. We're still very much in this range, and we're now at the value area high. What is interesting, if you just go to higher time frame, how good that weekly candle is. We've got a few days left, but that's looking really, really good. Monthly open, wicked up. Daily chart, that is a nice daily chart. Very, very nice daily chart. So monthly open, so these are the levels to consider now, I would say, on the daily chart. Monthly open held, wicks below, and we're now pushing up. Nice bullish candle. Any movement down today, we're going to have a look at the order flow in the TRDR console, but I would just literally look left and draw yourself some nice classic levels, okay? 99k, 100k, daily levels there, and then you could even go as far as to say, you know, late 97s, 98 maybe. Yeah, around that 98 level, okay? If we get some more pullbacks here, I'd be looking in that zone. Where did that look like on the 4-hour chart? Yeah, that would pull you back, bring you back to this point of control here, okay? We have got a little bit of supply above. A few assets have got a little bit of supply above, okay? So maybe we pull back, then I would be looking to see if we get a bid at 98k, 99k. Value area high, point of control. 1-hour chart. We can just see what's going on there. That's your range there. Really, really nice push up. We've almost just defeated this downtrend, and we're now going for a little bit of rotation, a little bit of mean reversion. Do we pull back 99k, or do we just need to sweep a little bit lower to the point of control? Just drag that along there, okay? So yeah, point of control there. Maybe we just need to sweep a little bit lower. All right, guys. So let's dive in and check some order flow with the TRDR console.
Well, in my book, you either do it right or you get eliminated.
Right then, guys, just sticking to the multiverse at the minute. I think this is kind of all we need for this quick update and review on a Thursday. If there's anything else, then we'll update everyone in the Discord and like. But what we can see is BTC is just hitting this supply. Okay, 102 is the actual defense that the main exchanges have got at the minute. Interesting to see, quite a lot of exchanges have now put a bid back in at 100k. I don't know if that's just the exchanges putting up a little bit of liquidity. It's possibly that, but nice to see those classic TA levels we did just look at, 99k and then down into 98. So if we deviate this level, I'd be looking to see if we can catch some bid and a bit more demand in this zone for any further continuations up and break onwards and upwards out of this higher time frame trend. All right, so 4-hour, 1-hour BTC range, weekly, daily, still trending, okay? Right, ETH is hitting some big supply, so despite the fact that your counterparties are actually really bidding this and are buying billions, and it sounds like Trump, doesn't it? Billions and billions of dollars worth, ETH is in a heavy supply zone and has actually had a weaker bounce than some of the assets. I think Sol was the best one, so we can obviously see where we've come from here. ETH being the best risk-reward long, I do believe, because levels held. This is our Sol long. Okay, into this demand zone here. Really good risk reward trades. BTC, as you can see, just deviated a little bit lower. Tweeted at the time, look, Sol, ETH look really good. BTC needs a bid. All right, it got it. We've got some more BTC diamonds down here from the TRDR console, and you got the bounce giving you confidence in those altcoin longs. So really nice to see. So yeah, ETH in heavy supply. It is in heavy supply here. It won't surprise me to see some downturns in the market in the coming hours now. All round really. You can even see Sol's got a little bit of supply above. So yeah, maybe 12, 24 hours. Pull this down a little bit. What are you looking for? I'm looking for some continuation bid. All right. If we deviate a bit higher today, what am I looking for? Okay, bearish divergences, volume bearish divergences, raise that funding a little bit, make perpetuals get a little bit aggressive on the sell side as well, because at the minute it's mainly spot. Okay, it's mainly spot selling up here, BTC and ETH and SOL. Okay, if perps start to get aggressive on the sell side as well, or taking profit on positions, then yeah, I'd be open to closing some of those long positions from the beginning of the week and hedging a bit more of a risk off short side position. Okay, Pepe looking good as well. Went through this on the live session that Pepe was looking like it had broke out of its range, kind of a resistance to support zone, this one. Okay, and then pointed out to the guys in the private Discord as well that I actually want it to come down again, take some more liquidity, which it did here. Pepe diamond, nice risk reward, and we continue. So yeah, looking for a bit of strength all round, but don't be surprised if you get slight pullbacks. All right, guys, I think that'll do it for today. Join us in the live session a little bit later on in the US session, and then we will review there what we've got for the next coming days. Still got 20% off the Academy, okay? Grab yourself some education, please, please, please. We all love classic TA. We all love classic TA. But if you were short in Bitcoin in this area, okay, as we were in the live session, reading the order flow, reading the volume, reading the open interest, we always wanted a little bit higher into this zone, okay? You'll be able to do that yourself if you get involved in the Academy, all right? See you there. Cheers, guys.
I bet your margins are pretty nice and fat.
Let's not talk about my margins, by the way. Being nice and fat. That's a nice shirt. Do they make it from End?